Good evening, beautiful people.
Hey everyone.
And welcome to another day or another evening in Tiflis, in Tbilisi.
Another evening.
Yes, an evening in Tbilisi.
Yeah, we decided to do what the locals do and actually get out in the night, go explore the city a bit while the lights are up instead of the sun.
Yeah, because it gets pretty hot during the day. So I think the city is mostly like a nightlife city.
Which is great.
And we're going to try to explore some of that tonight. So to start off, we came to the theme park, which is literally at the top of the city of Tbilisi, called Mtatsminda.
We'll put the name on the thing.
We really tried, but like
Mtatsminda, I think?
Mtatsminda. I think it's Mtatsminda. She's got it right.
The spelling at least.
So we're at the top of Mtatsminda, which is basically this theme park.
It's an amusement park.
Yes, an amusement park.
You get on an awesome funicular, which is fun, short quick ride.
We're not really here for just the views tonight. We're going to make our way back down into the city after enjoying some of the sights here, and then we're going to grab something to eat first, and then we're going to see what the nightlife is and maybe try to chill with some of the locals.
I'm excited. Maybe we should go.
Well, we suck at socializing, but we're going to try it. We're going to try it.
We'll see how it goes.
This is really quite awesome. Like this is an awesome theme / amusement park. It's really cool.
Yeah, so we came up for the view because the view is amazing. But if you're in Tbilisi, you need to come check this place out. And I kind of feel like in the evening it's like awesome. It's amazing.
It really
like
is.
Fun.
It is amazing. But now, before it gets too late, we're going to rush down the funicular so that we can actually find ourselves to a restaurant because we are starving and it's actually getting quite late. So we're going to grab something to eat, take you along for the ride, and then hopefully we can hit the town. And we made it all the way down. But now we're going to grab a taxi and then head off to the restaurant. In Georgia, if you want to get around with a taxi, you can either literally bargain with the taxi driver when you get in the taxi and talk about the destination. Or if you want to, you can use an app called Taxify. They unfortunately don't have Uber here, but Taxify quite literally works exactly the same.
It's the same.
And it's awesome. Like, it's really cheap. I mean, getting us from our Airbnb to this place was about 4 lari as well, which is again like nothing. It's 20 South African rands, or in US dollar term $1.80 or something.
Yeah,
it's silly cheap.
Affordable.
Go for it. Amarjoba.
To the restaurant. We are not at a traditional Georgian restaurant. Because we've been traveling on a budget, we decided to treat ourselves a little bit, and this place looked really nice and it got good reviews, so we're going to go for non-Georgian food today. For the rest of our trip we'll go back to traditional food because it's absolutely delicious, but for tonight we're just going to have nice fancy classy food at a good restaurant.
Yep, we're starting off the evening with food because we haven't really had anything to eat and we're both starving.
I need to stress, it's 10 to 10, and I get hungry at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, we planned it a bit badly in terms of underestimating the amount of time that we were going to spend up at the amusement park. But luckily we're going to get food soon.
Our starter has arrived. They're called spring rolls. They look amazing. And I don't know what sauces we have. I think it's supposed to be sweet chili, and this just looks like chili, so I'm happy with that one. And it just looks like a beautiful fried wad of chickeny spring roll goodness. So let's give this a go. I'm gonna go with the deadly looking one.
Sauce number 1.
Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. This is the soy sauce and the spring roll, and super crunchy. The filling is super tasty. It tastes like grilled chicken, but just the subtle flavors of like the cabbage and carrot coming through. So it's not overpowering, and with the soy sauce it's very tasty. I'm gonna do the sweet sauce now. I think it's a sweet sauce. Let's see. Yeah, that looks like a sweet chili sauce. I think this one's gonna be a winner. Super crunchy. Sweet sauce. It's really tasty. It just complements the spring roll really well.
Oh yeah, they're delicious. But now I'm going to perform a magic trick and make that disappear.
Satisfaction. That was delicious.
Ta-da!
Magic trick. How did that happen? And our mains have arrived. I got a delicious chicken glass noodle dish because I haven't had noodles in forever. And it's just completely drenched in vegetables, which I haven't had either. And Jannie went for the really standard but delicious grilled chicken with mashed potatoes and a side salad. I haven't had glass noodles in forever. Oh, this looks, ooh, it smells so fragrant. It's like a proper Asian glass noodle dish. I'm just gonna steal like a chicken and dip it in the sauce. That is perfect. The chicken is tender. The broth is like a nice sweet and sour sauce. That is good. And it's just so many vegetables. It's just amazing. Now for you.
If anyone knows me, this is no surprise. I mean, it's got potato and it's got chicken. I like both of those. It looks good. So we've got, oh man, that is a crunchy, crunchy skin. And the chicken feels tender. That is sublime. The chicken skin is so crispy and like just salty enough to make it absolutely perfect. Best chicken I've had in probably 6 months since South Africa, I guess. This is amazing. Let's try the potatoes. The mash could be a little bit creamier, but other than that, it's really, really tasty. Good stuff. Another magic trick performed. Oh my goodness, that was amazing.
That was a good idea.
That is, I'm so happy that, I think it was actually my Airbnb host that recommended this place, and it is well worth the visit. I think we'll definitely be going there again before we exit Georgia. But we are still planning to do a proper Georgian food vlog sometime in the future. But this was just like, you know, we wanted something tasty and we followed a recommendation, and I think it was well worth it.
It was amazing.
But we have to find ourselves to our next destination, which is a place that I read up and it sounds pretty cool, but we'll see when we get there. But it's a little bit of a hike for us now. I think it's about like a 1 kilometer walk or something before we get there. So we're gonna do movie magic and skip that part and then show you the fun part. This thing is like a street art festival, man. It looks amazing. Looks pretty quiet though, but I'm pretty sure they'll still have beer.
Wow, it's pretty crazy. We got beer. So apparently this used to be an old factory that they've revamped, as you can see, into this amazing place. I think there's a hostel, they've got a whole bunch of restaurants, you can get beer, ice cream, pancakes. It's a really cool vibe.
Yeah, it's basically one of the examples of Georgia using like some of the old architecture and some of the old infrastructure that they had, where this is supposedly many years ago used to be a textile factory, which they revamped into hostel and storefronts and stuff.
It's pretty cool. I love it. It's a lot of fun.
What a interesting and awesome little place that is. Like, it really is just busy, man. I mean, it's a Wednesday today, so you would assume that some people need to work tomorrow, but apparently not many people.
It's still early. And besides, people stay up late here.
Well, at least we had a very, very interesting evening.
It was pretty fun. Definitely out of character for us. We're
Yeah.
commonly homebodies, but every once in a while it's good to get out.
It's good to enjoy something outside of your comfort zone, hey? Just every now and then do something that you would normally not do. Does a lot better. So, what I would recommend is if there's something that you're putting off or something that you don't want to do, just get out and do it. You might enjoy the experience. But yes, I think that brings this night to a close.
We really enjoyed taking around Tbilisi with us tonight,
Stay awesome.
and we'll see you next time.